begin with our today's classes? Yes. So 2 days holiday, 1 day class, and again tomorrow will be holiday. Yes. So can anyone tell me why we are having a holiday tomorrow? Yes, I told you on Friday we had a conversation class on this topic. Tomorrow is 26th January, our national festival. So what all things we do on this day? सोते रहना है ना? छुट्टी है मैम, एंजॉय करना है, थोड़ा लेट उठेंगे, देन बस खाना खाएंगे, घूमने जाएंगे and all that? No, it is not like that at all. So what you have to do is, tomorrow again you all will get ready on time as your classes and ask your parents to switch on the television and you have to watch movie या कार्टून नहीं देखना बच्चा. You have to watch 26th January parade. If you remember, मैम ने आपको छोटी सी एक glimpse दिखाई थी, छोटे से just एक 1 minute का आपको छोटा सा वीडियो दिखाया था in your conversation class, जिसमें मैम ने दिखाया था कि what is 26th January parade, what is Republic Day parade. So now tomorrow you have a chance to watch this parade completely. पूरी परेड देखेंगे, then you will come to know how rich India is having its culture. कितना rich culture है, कितनी सारी states हैं हमारी country में जिनकी different tableaus आएंगी. What is a tableau? Yes, झांकियाँ. आपने देखा था ना, जो मैम ने आपको क्लिप दिखाई थी, उसके अंदर क्या था? एयर फोर्स के वो फाइटर जेट्स, दे वाज फ्लाइंग. देन मैम ने आपको वो दिखाया था, एक इंडियन नेवी का दिखाया था. सो उस तरह से बाकी स्टेट्स के भी टैब्लोज आएंगे. सो वॉच इट, यू विल एंजॉय इट. ओके, यू हैव टू डू दिस. डोंट कीप स्लीपिंग टुमारो. अंडरस्टूड? नाइस. सो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स आवर टुडेज क्लासेस. सो टुडे इज 25th January 2021 and the day is Monday. So can anyone tell me what subject we are going to study? English. Yes. Now, can you read the topic of our today's discussion? What are we going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about जिसके बारे में हम रोज ही बोलते हैं, but आज हम learn करेंगे how to write that. 21st January 2021. कभी मैम बोलती है कि दिसंबर मंथ चल रहा था, उससे पहले नवंबर मंथ चल रहा था. So मैम ने बताया है we have 12 months in a year, isn't it? I told you how many months are there in a year? We have 12 months in a year. And which are they? अब देखो मैंने बताया है ना कि फर्स्ट मंथ स्टार्ट हो गया, तो हम यहाँ 1 लिखते हैं डेट में, isn't it? तो अब ये कौन सा मंथ है? 25th January. अब मैम ने 1 की जगह क्या बोला? January बोला. So like this we have 12 months and every month has a name. आपका नाम है, मैम का भी कुछ नाम है. Everyone has a name ना? Like that every month also has a name. So months in a year, or you can say months of the year. This is what we are going to write today. So before writing, can anyone tell me which are the different months of the year? Let's have a quick revision. January, जैसे जैसे फिंगर्स खुलती जाएंगी पता लगता जाएगा कौन से नंबर पे कौन सा मंथ है. ओके, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. अब ये तो 10 फिंगर्स थी, अक्टूबर तक हो गया. And after that we have November and December. So like this we have 12 months in 1 year. ये जब पूरा साल जो काउंट होता है वो इन 12 months के साथ काउंट होता है. Clear? So today we are going to write their names one by one. So you have to learn these spellings also. Now, as we have number for each month, so what we are going to do, first we will write the numbers और फिर उसके बाद हम मंथ नेम लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। सो लेट्स राइट द नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 12. 1 2 3 4. Then we have 5 6 7 8. Next we have 9 10 11 12. So like this we have 12 months. You all know that. तो अब हमने क्या किया है? We have written our numbers from 1 to 12. Now we have to write the name of the months. ठीक है? अब कैसे लिखेंगे? You all know the order. One by one order में बोलते जाएंगे and we'll start writing. So can anyone tell me which is the first month of the year? Yes class? January. Yes. So how we are going to write it? January. See class, January. What is this? January. Repeat with me. January. January. Now, can you tell me which month comes after January? अब आप बोलिए जनवरी. जनवरी के बाद क्या आएगा? February. फरवरी नहीं बोलेंगे इसको. Some of you spell it wrong. January, February, March, April. No, it's January, February. Okay? So let's see how to write February. Now, See, phonetically करना है इसको. February. हो गया? February. So it is February. Say it again. February. Clear? February. Now we have January, February, March. Yes, which is the next month? March. So how we are going to write that? March. 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 Clear? January. January. February. March. So now January, February, March, April. Yes. So next we have is April. That is April. April. Now January, February, March, April. Which is the next month after April? We have May. Yes. So we are going to write May. ठीक है? After May comes winter vacation. कौन से month? Summer vacation. Class. Summer vacation कौन से month में होती है? June में. Yes. January, February, March, April, May, June. So we are going to write that June. Clear? After June comes July. So we will write July. अब जुलाई के बाद क्या आता है? When we celebrate our Independence Day. कौन से मंथ में आता है? Independence. 15 August. Yes. July, July, July. August, August, August. Now, which is the next month after August? September. So now see, अब आपको ना, अब जो हमारे names बचे हैं ये 4, आपको थोड़े big लगेंगे, but if you will read them and write them with the sounds, बहुत easy लगेंगे. Okay? So let's write that. September. So it is September. 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 Okay. Now what is the next one? September के बाद आएगा October. Again. O-C-T-O. O-C-T-O. October. Then again B-E-R. October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. Clear? Now after October we have November. Say with me, November. So how we are going to do that? N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. Clear? So how we have written? November. And which is the last month? Christmas comes in this month. So which is this last month? December. So how we write that? D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Clear? तो अगर वो आपको big भी लग रही है spellings, you don't have to worry. You just have to write with the sounds. Understood? So let's have a revision. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So these are the 12 months of a year. एक साल में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? 12. अब आपको याद आए तो जब भी हम डेट्स लिखते थे हम क्या करते थे? बार बार मंथ का नेम तो बहुत बिग हो जाता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? ये मंथ्स के नंबर लिखते हैं अपनी डेट में, है ना? क्योंकि जनवरी मंथ है तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? 1 लिखते जा रहे हैं. जब फरवरी स्टार्ट होगा तो हम क्या करेंगे? वहां पे 1 की जगह हम 2 लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे. अगर आपको याद हो विंटर वेकेशन से पहले हम क्या लिखते थे? 12, है ना? यहाँ बीच में क्योंकि दिसंबर मंथ था तो हम उसका नंबर लिख रहे थे. Clear? This is how we use number in dates to refer these month name. Understood? So you have to learn number and name in a proper order. आपको जो months name learn करने हैं ना proper order में भी करने हैं. It's not like that कि आप जनवरी के बाद सीधा अगस्त लिख दोगे या सितंबर लिख दोगे. No, you have to learn them in a order. That is January, February, March, April, May, June. Then we have July, August, September, October, November, and December. Clear all? Okay. Now, how you are going to do your work? This work to be done in your notebook. So let's see how we are going to write these months name in our notebook. Okay? So class, now please open your English notebooks and write today's date and topic there. Clear? So what is the date? It's 25th January 2021. So like this you are going to mention today's date and please write classwork also. Understood? So like this mention classwork. The topic is months of the year. Now see, as I have done on board, similarly I have done on the notebook also. First I have written the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As we have 12 months in a year, so I have written that number. Now we'll start writing the names in our notebook. One thing that you have to remember, or you can say you have to learn is, जब भी आप months के name लिखेंगे, the first alphabet of each month should be written capital. ठीक है? The first alphabet, जो पहला beginning alphabet होगा, वो आपको capital लिखना है. Like we are going to do now. The first month is January. So J capital, January. So like this you will write January. Next we have is February. So F capital, February. One second. ARY, February. अब इसको यहाँ से ज्वाइन नहीं करना है आपको, लाइक दिस, वो ई बन जाता है, तो इसको थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस पे ही लिखेंगे आप. FEBRUARY, February. Now which is the next month we have? March. Yes, so we will write MARC. So MARCH, March. Now which month come after March? April. So again A capital, and from here PRIL, April. APRIL, April. Now next we have is May. MAY, May. After May, so we have January, February, March, April, May. After May we have June. So how you are going to write that? JUNE, June. Then we have July. After July comes August. AUGUST, August. Then comes September. Then we have October. See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Now November. So what we are going to write? November. And last we have December. Understood? See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So this is how you are going to write your work in notebook today. The 12 months of the year. Understood? Now your homework. Firstly, you are going to learn them. and then you have to practice same as classwork. That means same to be written here once again as your today's homework. Is that clear? But पहले आपको learn करना है. First learn and then write. Okay class? So class, I hope you have understood what you are going to do today in your notebook, how you are going to do that. Once you can write in your notebook after watching my video, but your homework to be done only after learning them. ठीक है? Just copying down is not enough. You have to learn the name of these months. You have to learn the spellings. So please बहुत बड़ा project मत बनाना. If you will do it with proper phonics, with proper sound, you will able to do the work easily. तो मम्मा इतनी सारी spellings है, इतनी big spellings है. It's not like that. मैम ने आपको बहुत fun way बताया है. Just spell them with their sounds. ठीक है? See, we have June. Then we have April. August, isn't it? So जब आप इनको phonics की तरह करोगे ना, जैसे आप लोग अपने sound के words करते थे, आपको ये भी बहुत easy लगेगा. Okay? Bye for now. Get ready for your next class and please try to complete classwork. Okay? Bye. Take care.